Yes, you already know by the title, the thumbnail, and this intro. It's another edition of Cooking with Katrena in my priceless kitchen. For your convenience, the ingredients list as well as the full directions are listed in the description box below. Today's menu on the Johnson Ranch includes homemade mashed potatoes, Salisbury steak, and homemade mushroom gravy. If you're new here, well, let me take this time to introduce myself to you. I am Katrena, a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor, and I love sharing all things lifestyle with you, which includes home decor, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and of course, days like this when I'm in my priceless kitchen. Love these things? Well, please join my growing YouTube family. And yeah, it's gravy time on the Johnson Ranch. was walking around the kitchen saying, it sure smells good. And then I noticed she pinched off one of my burgers. I just can't with that lady. Well, it's time to plate because Mom says, girl, it's time to eat. That's right. We have our mashed potatoes, Salisbury steak, and oh my goodness, the mushroom gravy. Thank you so much for spending time in my priceless kitchen on today. Don't forget to like this video. That's giving me a big thumbs up and typing something down in the comment section below. And if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. And you know what I say. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.